Free spirituality invites you to use your heart as a filter, be autonomous, open-minded, and free of dogmas. It is a departure from organized religion and traditional dogmas, allowing individuals to develop their own spiritual path based on personal experiences, intuition, and inner wisdom. What makes you feel better? What tools can you use? Hi, free spirits. Recently, a lot of people have been awakened. Earth is going through a new phase, as some people call it, the new Earth. Some believe Earth will go to a new dimension, leaving the third dimension and going to a fourth or fifth. Free spirituality is a way of adapting and going through this new phase. Free spirituality is the coherence of being. It's not about having a supernatural gift, religion, or messing with spirits. Free spirituality is about being who we were truly created to be by doing what we love and using any tools our hearts desire to make us feel peace within. In free spirituality, there is often an emphasis on direct experience and personal transformation. There is no right or wrong path in free spirituality. Any path can lead you to a better version of yourself. For some, being spiritual is about having a religion. Others find the same peace by doing activities outdoors and appreciating nature. There are multiple ways of finding your inner peace: meditation, taking care of others, going to a temple weekly, praying every night, or simply doing something that you love. They may also explore concepts such as universal consciousness, interconnectedness, self-realization, and personal empowerment. Freedom is first and foremost a spiritual principle, no matter what you do. As long as you feel peace within yourself, you are being spiritual. Free spirituality encourages individuals to think independently and to form their own understanding of spirituality based on their personal insights and experiences. Free spiritual seekers often reject rigid dogmas, religious hierarchies, and external authorities in favor of personal autonomy and inner guidance. Once you find yourself free spiritually, everything in your life will align. The law of attraction is real. If you do good, good will come to you. Things may not happen the way you thought they would or the way you wanted to, but if you are free spiritually, you will understand that everything happens the way it should and will maintain calm in most situations. Some tools could be applied to yourself to help you find peace within. I will do a video later on spiritual tools, explaining them individually in detail. To keep an eye out for my future videos on this content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here are some quick mentions. Music. Our ancestors have been using music for spiritual purposes since the beginning of time. Spiritual ceremonies, a cappella singing, chants, etc. Music has vibrations and transcendent properties that connect us. It has been proven that music affects our quality of life and spirit. Meditation. Calming the mind helps you find your inner truth. Spiritual awareness makes you more confident and increases the ability to interact with and benefit others. A person that knows their inner truth will see the world differently and have more understanding of other beings, not only humans but any living and not living organisms. Crystals. Believe it or not, crystals are alive. Each crystal has a unique vibration that can help you. This unique vibration interacts with the body's energy field, creating balance and alignment. Crystals have the power to help with negative feelings like stress, fear, and anxiety. Many believe it can also help you with physical and spiritual healing. Mantras. The mind and body are powerful tools. Mantras can be used to program our body and mind. Repeating mantras daily can help us access our spiritual wisdom to transform and heal ourselves, increasing self-awareness and self-compassion, achieving relaxed states and joyful feelings. Mudras. Mudras are yoganic hand gestures used to influence the energy flow of our physical, emotional, and spiritual body. It has been part of many Hindu and Buddhist rituals. Each mudra makes the energy flow differently, helping achieve the wanted effect. Mudras can be used to soothe pain, change the mood, and even increase vitality. Sacred geometry. Sacred geometry are spiritual shapes that have an energy and frequency attached to it. Patterns usually found in the real world, like spirals in a hurricane, circles in planets' shapes, and hexagons in honeycombs. By looking fixed at a sacred geometry, it can influence you spiritually and bring you to a different state of mind. It is important to note that free spirituality is a broad term encompassing a wide range of beliefs and practices. People who identify with free spirituality may have diverse perspectives and engage in various spiritual disciplines. The common thread is the emphasis on personal freedom, self-discovery, and an open-minded exploration of spirituality. There are many other tools in our world to help us spiritually. It is all about finding the right tool for yourself. Always remember to use your heart as a filter and let it flow.